You and I are like rubber bands. We are most useful when we are stressed. And therefore, it is not wrong to say that you can only accomplish in a proportion to what you attempt. The reason people achieve so little in their lives is because they attempt for too little. So it is our responsibility that we should give our 100% and try to initiate by taking some amount of risk. As it is said, shoot for the moon. Even if you miss it, you will land among the stars. Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss it, you will land among the stars. Seneca, the world's one of the greatest philosophers, said something very beautiful. He said, "It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare. It is because we do not dare that things are difficult." It's a very deep thought, so think about it, as it teaches us not to become a risk averse. In fact, we should take little risk or attempt to take at least calculated risk in our lives. The high wire walker Papa Wallenda said it so well. He said, "Life is lived out on the wire. Life is lived out on the wire, and the rest is just waiting." So take risk and do not shy away from taking risk. Because if you really want to be successful in your life, so you need to take risk. You need to be confident and have faith in yourself. So what are you waiting for? If you really want to achieve something great in your life, which motivates you, which fascinates you, which keeps you busy and happy at the same time, and you never get tired of doing it, it is worth taking that much risk, because life is too short to live a risk-free life. Napoleon Bonaparte once said that impossible is a word in a fool's dictionary. Now, what is the definition of impossible? Something nobody can do until somebody does. So why not become that somebody who actually does it, rather than saying it can't be done? The problem is we are surrounded by people who think it can't be done until it is done by somebody. And when it is done, then they say it was easy. We could also have done it. It is just that we never tried or never took the risk of doing it. Note my words. People who take risks are the people you will lose against. You will never tap the talent inside you until you attempt the impossible. Risk is part of every success plan, which mediocre minds will never understand. The people who are really afraid of failing are the people who set their standards too low, live always in their comfort zones, that they never run the risk of failure. In the end, they neither fail nor succeed. Therefore, it is my humble request to you all, though we need to understand one thing, and we can't run away of it. We don't know how much time, how many days, months or years we have, and before it gets too late and we are left with nothing but regret, we should take the necessary steps that will add to our success. We should come out of our comfort zones and take risk. My mentor once told me, the biggest risk in life is not to take any risk at all. So waste no more time and just go for it. Your destiny is waiting for you to embrace you. The purpose for which you have come on this planet is yet to be achieved. So just go ahead and take the risk and fulfill your dreams. In the end, you will realize life is really beautiful.